Hello guys, my name is Anatoly and I'm a product designer. I designed the knife which I called clip lock knife. Simplicity is beautiful. More and more people are going back to simpler type of living. They choose minimalistic type of design instead of overmade or complex things. That is why I designed my knife with the philosophy of using only necessary working elements. Not a single detail in a design could be excluded. Even the clip is dual functioning and works as a part of the blade locking mechanism. That is why I called it clip lock knife. This knife is very easy to use. Since the locking unit is so simple, it is very easy to clean and maintain it. This feature also makes this knife the perfect selection for hunting or fishing use. It also can be a good ADC knife since it weighs a bit over 3 ounces and has a 3 and 5 inches blade size. The handle is made from textured G10 and it's big enough for any hand size. I love simplicity and my design is a perfect example of it. I believe in my product and I want you to support it.